Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Scottsdale, New River, and Cave Creek. Turn around, don't drown when encountering. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona.
Hey, we saw an edge with your head.